Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create your own custom navigation bar menu. The custom navigation bar menu lets you control which items appear on your navigation bar. By doing this, your workspace becomes more focused, removing tabs you don't use and keeping only the tabs you need the most. For example, if you only work on the diary screen, you can remove all the other tabs and leave only the diary tab visible. Similarly, if you work mainly with billing, you can tailor your navigation bar to show only billing-related screens, like the multi-invoice screen and the statement screen, while removing things like the clinical screen and patient validation, which are more clinical or admin-related. Let's look at how a billing expert could set up their custom navigation menu. To start, we'll open the custom segment menu. Click the settings button available from any screen in the system. Then click general settings and scroll down to the custom menu segment. This is where we'll choose the screens for our custom navigation bar. We have two options here. We can add a full screen directly to the menu, or we can create a drop-down menu where multiple screens are grouped together under a name of your choice. Let's add both options so you can see how each works. Once you've added a screen, click on its drop-down menu to choose which screen you'd like to display. For our billing clerk, we'll start by selecting the debtor management screen. The drop-down menu option lets us stack multiple screens together. For example, we could add multi-invoice and statements for our billing clerk. We can rename the drop-down by double-clicking on it. For example, we'll call this one Accounts. If you want to remove a screen or a drop-down menu, simply click the Delete button on the same line. And if you want to rearrange the order, click and drag the selector icon to move items up or down. Please note, you can add as many tabs or drop-downs as you would like. Now let's navigate to our newly created custom navigation menu. Click the navigation wheel and select Custom. This opens your new custom navigation menu ready for you to use. You can make changes anytime by going back to the custom segment settings and adjusting them as needed. If you want this menu to be your default view whenever you log in, go back to Settings, then General Settings. Under the navigation heading, find the default menu option and from the drop-down, select Custom. That way, the system will automatically open your custom segment every time you log in. And that's it. Your custom navigation menu is now set up and ready to work for you.